How to save Instagram draft reels to gallery. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, swipe towards the right on your screen and you will be led to the story interface. Here, firstly, go ahead and select the reel option from the bottom of your screen and now swipe up on your screen and you will see the drafts option. Tap on that and in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view all your drafts. So tap on the drafts that you want to save to your gallery and now in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the edit option on the top right of your screen. Further, scroll through in the toolbar at the bottom and you will see the save option there. Tap on the save option and with this, the draft will be saved to your gallery. Make sure that the audio will not be saved with the draft. So, this is how you can save Instagram draft reels to gallery. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.